This is checked, and we're going to do polygonal. It says radial right here. That's if you want to do radial. Right now, if you want to do polygonal, which is the way it always starts, we're going to hit polygonal. So you got two options there. You may not ever mess with that, but we'll go into radial later. Pick a line. It's going to tell you how long it is, 998.773. That's the total distance of it. Pick another line, or you try to pick another line every time. It ain't gonna let you. You only get one at a time. So hit clear. You can pick another line, and it'll tell you. Same thing. If you're doing a polygon, it's 1, 2, 3 points. The stuff up here, this is going to be your last leg that you just shot there, 100.817. That's the horizontal distance from there to there. That's your slope distance. It's all the same right now because they're all flat. It tells you where you're going from 1030 to 1031. That's that point. 1030 to 1031. You go to the second page. This is your sum of your distances right now of your triangle. We haven't closed it out though. You see you got a dashed line right here. So we got 143 and 100. Right now your sum right there is 244.576. That's just that line and that line. It's not including that one. There's your sum of your slopes distances. This is just going to be your azimuth of your last leg of your triangle you just shot there. So the 127, that's from there to there. You can't really spit out a bearing right here, but you can do the conversion if you want to. This is going to be your interior angle of your last two legs. So basically it's the interior angle of this blue guy right here. So you'll see this change in a minute as soon as I click this starting point right here and close this triangle out. Your area right here, 5975. That's going to be your 2D area. You can see it flat. That's going to be your sloped area. Of course, these are the same because I'm just shooting them all on 0 elevation. We've got some other videos that Steven's done and kind of added some height to it. This is going to be your perimeter right now, 461,903. That's going to be obviously the whole thing, the 143, the 100.817, and your green dashed one right here. That's just your last point you stored. We've got no block volume. Now, if we go over here and we click this first one again, so we shot that point, and we shot that point. But if we click this guy right here, it's going to close this triangle out and it's going to change the data. Look, some of the data. It's going to change some of it. So we'll go ahead and pick 1029. Your area is still going to be the same, but now you have your third leg of your triangle displayed there for you. So you got your 143, your 100, your 217. Of course, it updates that right there because that's our last little leg on our triangle we did. 1031 to 1029. Now it's got your same. Well, it ain't the same. It's got your total summation there of all three legs of your triangle. Your azimuth has changed because now it's going from this point to your last point there. So it's the brown line there, 274. Your 3303.15, that's your updated interior angle between here to there. So it's your new angle right there on that guy, 33 degrees. Of course, your area is still the same. You'll just see that your 461,903 that you saw a minute ago matches what you got here now that you closed your triangle all the way out, and it updates that. 1029, that's just your coordinates to that point right there. And you know the block volume deal from some of our other videos. If you go in there and add it in there, you can give it a depth. We'll just say 8 inches, or you can put in tenths or hundredths. It'll convert it for you. You check it. It shows your cubic yards or whatever your units are set up as right there. So 147, that's just your triangular area times your 8 inches, and there you go. So that's that. If you got an actual closed loop line, none of these down here are. I hadn't really prepped the data to where I've got a foundation and a closed poly loop. So I just took some shots over here and made a line around it. But of course, if you hit your clear button, it takes all that stuff off there. If you pick your actual poly line here, it's of course going to show you all your same stuff. 80s, 120s, 9600, all the same stuff there. Again, everything we just talked about, interior angle, and your azimuth of the brown line there, 270. Yeah, that's polygonal. We'll do another video here on radial and show the difference between it and polygon.